guys! Welcome back to another video, and for this time around, I'm going to do another taste test. I say another because if you've been following my channel for a while now, you would probably know that I once made a video wherein I tried Korean snacks. Now for today, I will be trying on Japanese snacks instead, and they're all from Tokyo Treat. Now for a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. This is actually a video that is caused by an annoying Facebook ad. I mean, I bet you guys are familiar with how AI is getting even more intelligent. So obviously, I think Facebook caught on with the fact that I love anything related to Japan. So for the past months, they have been constantly showing me these annoying ads on Japanese online shops and so many other things. And one day, I think I just gave in. Also because the banner that was being used by Tokyo Treat at that time was really nice. So I clicked the website, checked it out, and yeah, I was hooked. I really love the idea wherein they send you Japanese snacks and drinks, especially because, like I said, I like anything related to Japan. And since I'm not going to visit there again anytime soon, this is a good alternative to it. Now, there are different plans that you can get on the site, but the one that I purchased was a 3-month plan. So I already received the December box, but this box that we're going to open is the most recent one, which is for the month of January. Now, like I said, I already received the December box and I opened it and I loved it. Aside from the fact that they send snacks that are well known, they also send snacks that you probably won't learn or try if you're not a Japanese local. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this box. So when you receive this in the mail, it will be in this box, nothing else. I mean, it's as is, but it is securely taped shut with this see-through tape over here. Okay, so here's how it looks like. Now, the box may seem small to you at first, but as you can see, it can pack quite a lot of snacks inside it. Now, one helpful thing that they sent along with these boxes is this helpful guide. So they already did the work for us and did the translation and explanations on what the snacks are. So as you can see here, it lists out all the snacks they sent. So in a way, it's also like a checklist to make sure that you got all the items that you're supposed to receive. By the way, I forgot to mention, but you can have the standard or classic plan, but you can also have the premium plan, wherein of course you get to receive more extras like an extra drink and what else? Yeah, basically bigger stuff. But yeah, this month's theme is Winter Wonderland. And then the first page over here basically just shows a cute little game, and then the next pages will show you all of the snacks listed, and then the rest are just extras. Like for example, this one discusses how Japan is obsessed with blood types, because I remember that they usually ask their friends what their blood type is. I don't know, it's a way to know how a person is like. Anyway, enough about that. Let's just get on with the snacks and start eating. So first up, we are going to try this one. Apparently, it says here that it's a popular chip brand in Japan. Yeah, that's a really strong pepper smell, but it smells so good. Now for the first bite. That's a strong pepper taste, but not too overwhelming. It's like it's perfect. Oh my god, this is so good. I honestly want to stop this video now, watch a film and eat this, but okay, I'll keep this aside for now and continue eating it later on. Oh, it says something in English here below. It says Yamitsuki pepper. I guess it's kind of pepper that they use. Yamitsuki pepper. So that's what it says down there. Next up, let's try this one. And it's a popular snack that is often enjoyed at Japanese festivals. Yeah, it's cotton candy. I don't taste a different flavor from it. It's basically just cotton candy, but it tastes good. But yeah, the taste of this one is still lingering in my mouth. I really want to finish it. Anyway, moving on, Aileen. Moving on. You can eat it later. Let's try the other big package in this box. This is well known not only for its flavor, but also because of the fun expressions that each cookie has. Yeah, I already see it on the packaging, so yeah, it's a bit cute. So the face over here, that one. Inside, they're all individually wrapped. So yeah. Now that I've opened it, there are 4 pieces of cookies inside. It smells really milky. The milk chocolate has a very distinct taste. Like, it's not like the usual milk chocolates that I tasted, which are really sweet, because this one has a really mild sweetness to it, which is really good. It complements the cookie that is attached to it. Quite nice. I like it. Moving on, let's pick one of the biggest packets again. So this is something that I've already seen a lot when I go to, like, let's say a Don Quixote store in Tokyo. This is obviously a Kit Kat, and this, from what I remember, it's like the cheesecake taste. Cheesecake, I think. Strawberry cheesecake. Let me see if I was correct by referring to this guide. Oh yeah, I'm wrong. Okay, it's not cheesecake, it's strawberry tiramisu. But I'm pretty sure there was a Kit Kat with a cheesecake flavor on it. I think this is the number of pieces, so there are 11 packets inside. This is how small it is. Oh wow. There's the tiramisu part. I don't think there's alcohol in this or anything, but it tastes like strawberry tiramisu. Really good. I mean, it's Kit Kat. Can't go wrong with a Kit Kat. Though, when you reach the tiramisu taste, it kind of takes you by surprise at first, but then after that, it's just really good. Yeah, I think like the tiramisu flavor is at the center, where it's a bit brownish. Wait, let me show you. That's the tiramisu part. Yeah, really good. For the next snacks, it's this one. It looks like a taiyaki. Okay, let me check. Yes, I'm correct. It's a Lucky New Year taiyaki snack. Ooh. Usually the taiyakis that I eat in Japan are the ones that have ice cream inside, but sometimes some of them have like the, what do you call that? Azuki beans. Red azuki beans? Is that how you call it? But yeah, red beans. Anyway, let's take a bite. It's like one of those wafers. It's really light and very crunchy, obviously. Next up, right when I opened the pack, I smelled the shrimp. They're this small. They're the same as the prawn snacks that we have here. So this basically almost borders on not having any flavor at all, except for when the aftertaste hits you, which is like a very mild shrimp flavor, and the rest is mostly just the crisps. At first it may seem underwhelming, but it just makes you want to go on and eat it, like what I'm doing right now. I see something that I really like. Gudetama! This is a Sanrio character in Japan that I really love because he's such a cute lazy egg. Anyway, here's the close-up. Yep, custard and chocolate. Oh. Making so much mess on my bed. Yeah, I shouldn't do this on my bed going forward, but anyway, this is real good. Here's another big one. And there's a special note underneath that says it contains peanuts. Oh, that's a nice note. You know, if anyone has a nut allergy, you'll instantly know or are informed ahead. In a way, it looks like an ice cream bar. Nope, wafer. The nuts are not so big. They're just the tiny bits that you see on here. It's good as well. I mean, everything so far is really good. The next one is this cute little one. It tastes almost the same as the shrimp crackers, and I don't really taste much of the seaweed at all, but it's a very mild taste. But yeah, it's quite alright. We only have 4 things left. And the next one is this little cookie. Oh, the packaging is so cute. It's a small rabbit. Usagi. I think Japanese for rabbit is usagi. Now this is a salty cracker. There are just 2 pieces inside. Again, it has a wafer kind of texture. It almost has no taste again. Now this is the thing with most of Japan's food. Like, there are some food that have very bold flavors, but most of the time, the food or snacks there are mild or subdued, which is nice. But sometimes, for example, like this one, it's not so good. It's just okay. Could be nice maybe if you dip it in tea or coffee. I don't know. I don't have that here right now, but moving on, we have here, I thought at first it was Doraemon, but it's not. It says here that this is Japan's #1 favorite dagashi series. What's dagashi? Dagashi stands for Japanese snacks? Yeah, I'm correct. It says here that dagashi refers to cheap candies and snack foods in Japan. My Japanese knowledge is getting good. So this is going to be very crispy. I'm gonna bring the box here so I don't make a mess. It looks cheesy. Oh, that's nice. It's a very distinct cheese flavor. Oh, so good. Oh my god, I only got one. I want some more. Ah. I'm discovering Japanese snacks that are so good. I'm going to look for you when I get to Japan. I'm gonna buy a big pack of this. For sure. Oh gosh. Last snack that is not a drink, because we still have a drink here. So I haven't tried it yet, but let's try this first. Oh, I have to make it myself. Let's Google it again. What is ramune? Ramune is a type of carbonated soft drink originally crafted. Oh, I already tried this before. It's that soft drink which has a ball inside. Yeah, I think that's it. Wait. Yeah, it's this one. I tried this one before. So it's like this drink. So this is the ball inside. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, there. So the purpose of that marble is to simply seal the bottle. Okay. So obviously this is going to taste like that carbonated drink. So it's basically just transformed into a snack. Actually, since I only have these two things left, let me try the drink first. Also because I'm really thirsty right now after eating all of that stuff. Once again, it also says here in a small note that it contains egg and milk. It's really thoughtful of them, just in case for people who have allergies. It smells good. That's so good. It's really milky, that's for sure. It almost reminds me of the banana milk drinks that they have in Korea. But of course, this is far milkier. Oh, this is so good. Let's go and try to make this DIY kit. Oh, the instructions are in Japanese. Oh, maybe they have a guide for me here. I think I saw one a while ago. Oh yeah, it's here. How thoughtful of them, again. So it shows here how I can make the ramune myself. So when you open the package, you'll find inside this small tray, and then they also give you this small spoon and then some ingredients. It says here that I have to pour pouch 1 into the round indent on the tray. So pouch number 1, it would be this one because it obviously says number 1 in there. Okay, now that it's poured in, fill the triangle scoop with water and pour that into the round indent. What's a triangle scoop? Did I miss anything? What try? Oh! Part of this tray is like this flappy thing over here, and apparently it's the triangle scoop. I have to detach it, so yep, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go and get some water. So I'm pouring it in now. Oh, look, the powder transformed into blue. This can be quite a fun thing to do with your nieces or nephew or your children. So this is how it looks like now. Pour pouch number 2 into the round indent as well. Stir the spoon until the color changes. So the powder is white at first. It says that I have to keep stirring until it changes. Oh, it's transforming into a purple color. Oh my god, this is so fun. Okay, so look. Oh my god. I feel like such a kid now, but this is so much fun actually. And the consistency is also changing. It's becoming really fluffy right now. Like, look. The color has changed into, actually it's more like pink now. It smells so good. Okay, the next step, pour pouch number 3, which is the colorful ramune candy, into the character shaped indent on the tray. Use the spoon to scoop a bunch of the candy mixture, dip it into the ramune candy, and then eat your treat. First, we'll get a nice consistency. I want to make it into a ball, like how it shows in the packaging. It's like a ball over there. Yeah, I didn't really make it into a ball. Oh, whatever. So, we have this. Just gonna toss it around this. I can already envision how sweet this is going to be. Now it smells weird. For the taste, there's like that small aftertaste of the carbonated ramune drink from the candies. But other than that, the fluffy texture that I mix, it's really almost like melted marshmallow in a way. That's good. I mean, I don't really like sweets as much. I mean, things like this. Oh, sorry. I'm making this face because it's from this little jewels from the Ramune carbonated drink. Not really good with sodas, so. Oh, I was saying that I'm not really into sweet stuff as much, but this is quite okay. It's so fun when I was mixing it because, you know, the fact that it changes colors and how it looks so cute. Definitely a nice thing to bring home for the kids. I missed on showing this snack because it was so small and it just got buried in all of this pile while I was recording. So anyway, this one, it's a Glico Balanced Nutrition Chocolate Brownie Bar. This is basically how it looks like, and as for the taste, yep, it's a chocolate brownie. Anyway, there's not much of a special flavor to it, but as it says on the guide, what's special about it is that it has a lot of vitamins and minerals. Because as it's called as well, it's a nutritional brownie bar. Yeah, that's all of it. I managed to finish tasting all of the things that I included in the box. And yeah, the verdict, I'm really happy with it. It's definitely worth the money that I put in. If you guys are also interested in getting a Tokyo Treat box, I will put the links below. I don't have any affiliate code or codes or promo codes, unfortunately, but the good news is that they ship worldwide. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like below. Otherwise, leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this Tokyo Treat box, or if you already have tried it before, how was your experience with it, or basically maybe tell me what snack would you have loved to try as well in here. But anyway, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!